Since 1936, the League of Women Voters of Colorado has regularly published explanations and pro and con arguments on each of the ballot issues in every statewide election. It needs to be understood that the pro and con arguments published by the League are not the opinions or endorsements of the League. Rather, they are the arguments from the individuals and groups that support or oppose each issue. We encourage you to study these opinions before casting your ballot. There are 11 measures on the 2022 ballot. The sixth measure on the 2022 ballot is Proposition 121, which is income tax rate reduction. Proposition 121 is a proposed statute that would lower the income tax rate for all Colorado taxpayers from the current 4.55% to 4.4%. This reduces the income tax for individuals and corporations. Proposition 121 would amend Colorado statutes to permanently reduce both the individual and corporate income tax rates from 4.55% to 4.4% for all Coloradans. It would reduce state tax collections by about $412.6 million in fiscal year 2023-24, which is a 2.4% reduction in the general fund budget. The state income tax is the main source of general fund revenue. This revenue pays for the general operations of state government, such as education, corrections, and human services. In fiscal year 2020-21, the state income tax revenue was $10.7 billion, accounting for 68.4% of general fund revenue. In addition to general fund revenue, the state budget also includes money from federal funds and other taxes and fees. During years when the state collects money over the Tabor limit, Proposition 121 will reduce the amount of money returned to taxpayers but will not change the amount of money available to pay for state operations. During years when the state collects less than the limit, Proposition 121 will reduce the amount of money available for state government operations. The state currently expects to return money collected above the Tabor limit through at least budget year 2023-24.